Overdrafting your Bank of America account is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Bank of America offers overdraft protection programs that allow you to link another eligible account, such as a savings account or credit card, to your checking account. You must opt in for this service. If you make a transaction that exceeds the available balance in your Bank of America checking account and you have opted into overdraft coverage, Bank of America may still approve the transaction, but you will be charged an overdraft fee. This fee can vary depending on the bank's policies and your account type. Bank of America may have limits on the amount you can overdraft, and these limits may depend on factors such as your account history and creditworthiness. Before opting in for overdraft coverage, carefully review the terms and conditions provided by Bank of America. Make sure you understand the fees, limits, and consequences associated with overdrafting your account. Overdraft protection should not be used as a regular financial strategy. It's essential to manage your finances responsibly, keep track of your account balances, and avoid spending more than you have available in your account.